Brand new luxury home dito sa BF Homes Parañaque. Meron siyang swimming pool, meron siyang elevator, may 7 bedrooms, may 4-car garage. Meron tong lot area na 323 square meters. Pagpasok mo, meron ka na kagad ditong powder room. Open layout ang living, dining, and kitchen area. Meron ka ditong lanay. Meron ding ground floor bedroom. Ang floor area nito nasa 363 square meters. Ito na nga yung ground floor bedroom na convertible pa na maging master bedroom dahil malaki siya. Ito yung kitchen mo. At swimming pool. Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo rin yung mga bedroom sa second floor, pati yung price and full details. Future-proof talaga to, kaya may elevator. Follow for more, ha?